Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A77, and then I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. Firstly, we need to open the control panel and check all unnecessary features to disable it. For example, if you are using mobile data right now and Wi-Fi is enabled too, so disable one of these networks. For example, if you are using mobile network, disable the Wi-Fi. If you have Wi-Fi access where you are right now, so just disable the mobile data, because all of these networks are constantly searching for their networks. Wi-Fi for nearby Wi-Fi networks, mobile data for nearby 4G, 5G, and in this case it's reducing the battery power. Disable the Bluetooth if you don't use the Bluetooth devices right now, if you don't use speakers, headphones and other Bluetooth devices. Disable personal hotspot consuming a lot of battery power. Disable location services, because of location services are constantly searching for GPRS, for GLONASS, for Baidu Maps, satellite signal, and it also consuming a lot of battery power. And of course, nearby share, constantly searching for nearby Android, nearby shared devices, and in this case, it will consume your battery power too. So disable nearby share if you want to improve your battery life. Unfortunately, on your device you have LCD screen. It means that you don't need to enable dark mode to improve battery life, because it's useless. You have only one light, one lamp under your screen that always lighting. And if you see black color in your screen, it means that crystals, LCD, it's liquid crystal display. So crystals displays are rotating in this way that you have black color. So it means that brightness of your lamp under the screen is still the same. So you don't need to enable dark mode to make your to improve your battery life. So you can just make your screen dimmer, so reduce your screen brightness to improve battery life. Then of course you can open the battery, and here we have power saving mode. In this mode our device will live of course longer, but we have super power saving mode. In this mode of course we can use only several applications, but in this mode RAM and unnecessary services are by default disabled, and mean that they are not consuming battery power. And in this way background apps are not working, background processes are not working, so you can only call, message, and that's it. And in this way your phone will live really long. For example, now I have, I'm blind, I have 89% of my battery, but here, as you can see, with 89%, my smartphone will live 2.5 days. So it's really great result. If you want to close super power saving mode, just click close and confirm. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.